is something, almost something of the past, and some businesses just decided they're going to use that time to do a little bit of market research to give a better product and a better service to you. And Absolute Vehicle Systems is no exclusion on it. Charlene, good morning, welcome again.
Good morning, Fransha.
You guys really did a lot of homework, and they invited me to come see, like they say, come check out the new radio, which I did, and I must say, this is something unique. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it is a new navigation that we found. The navigation is awesome. It's the visuals aren't HD anymore. It's the next level. It's the 4K visuals, which is really awesome. The navigation, if you click on it, it shows you everything very nicely. It even shows you, pops up the KFC logo, so you can find your KFC.
So you just press on the logo of the business, and it takes you there.
It will navigate you towards the business. It has Android 10, which most units now still only come with Android 9.
And I also saw when I got the demonstration, Celine, I must say what is impressive to me, it's soft touch.
It's very soft touch, and it is very responsive as well.
It's literally like a little computer in your vehicle. You've got radio, you've got the GPS. I saw Facebook.
Yeah, you can do Facebook.
I saw Facebook as well on it. So while the wife is doing her shopping, you can actually Facebook or go onto your social media. You can get your mails. It's literally a glorified smartphone fixed into your vehicle.
That's correct, yeah. And you can put a reverse camera on it as well.
No,
it has a CD player. It has a rear USB, which we like actually more, because if you have a front USB, usually when you're driving alone, you lean over to get something, you have to watch the road, and you knock the USB and you snap your USB, or you break the USB port of the radio. And so it has a rear USB that plugs in and gets put into the glove compartment of the vehicle.
Now look at that. But now, here's my question. I know that you built it in a certain brand. Is it available for most brands, favorite brands, popular motor vehicle brands?
Yeah, they are popular motor vehicle brands. They are available for Toyota as well. If there's any brand you are interested in, you can come by with the vehicle. We send the specifications through to the factory. They will tell us if there is a unit available for your vehicle or not. We get you the price. If you agree, we order it. Plus minus 2 weeks, then it will be here.
So if you want to know if you have, if they can help you with your car, I mean, as you also saw on the overlays or the visuals, there's something unique. It's beautiful. It's something different, and I think sooner or later, Charlene, the youngster will say, "My dad got the biggest Facebook on the car."
I think they will.
I will do that.
The vehicle that we fitted it onto now, the client said his kids are very impressed. They say it looks like a TV screen.
Now all of a sudden you will see the youngsters want to become navigators or the co-drivers. Charlene, exactly where are you guys situated?
We are in 24 Edison Square in Edison Street, Southern Industrial Area.
As easy as that. So there you are. We're back from COVID, and we're going to keep on bringing you the latest technologies and gadgets. I mean, this is what it's all about in the car. Gadgets.
That's what it's all about,
and we'll make sure that you're going to be updated frequently.